art. I've changed up some colors here and everything because I just wanted to make things a little bit more clear. Hang on a second, I just got a little notification on the phone, seeing if it's something. Love seeing stuff going up. Litecoin's going up. Everything might be starting to go up. All right, here's from previous recordings. This is where I started to see the pattern. I put this little Bitcoin sign here, and these are my lower highs. Now, this was one that I created and long-term wanted to put in there. Prediction was pretty dang close. I think at first I might have had it. I might have had it there. I don't know. I might have moved it, but right there, it's still holding. I mean, nothing's perfect, but man, in that general facility is pretty good. Here is my channels for my downwards trend. It was, like I said, about 20. I don't even know if that was right. I thought it was 22. I think that's wrong. I think it's supposed to be down here because I think it was. I think I erased it at one point. I have to go back to one of my pictures, but I want to say it's. We're gonna change that because I want to say it's right. Yeah, 22.9. Yeah, it might be about right what it was if I remember. We'll change it anyway because that's where I think it's supposed to be. And 23. About 23.7. I'm going to leave it there. We'll leave that channel there. Let's scroll into where we're at now. Here's my upwards channel. 25.7 and 26.2. I'm sticking with it. You've seen we've hit in that channel a handful of times, and this is where I was really thinking, bam, is where I thought we were going to go. Thought it tested it. Prank. Gave me my wedge pattern inside my, my bigger wedge pattern further out. Like I said, smaller wedge patterns inside of bigger wedge patterns. When you scroll in, there's another one created on the smaller time. And now we're waiting. We'll wait for another one to come in, maybe really small in here. I don't know if this is it. I'll have to go back and look at it when I break it down myself on the side, not on this video that I'm making for you guys. So we're hovering at 25.172. I mean, we got up to about 25.2. Again, a lot of people calling for this psych out in this whole area this past couple weeks. A lot of people saying we're still on the bull. I'm going to say whatever one we break through first, that's where we're headed. Those are my channels. I'm going to stick to them. Again, call it what you are. I'm on the train for we're going upwards still. That's my thought. That's my theory. Ain't no guarantee. I don't know, and I don't care. It goes downwards. I think I got my, here's my original upwards trend coming from the last, when we hit way down at like 11 cents. Look at this thing. 6 months. There's my big wedge pattern way out there. Let's do the year. You'll see. So there's my big wedge pattern. That was the first one I seen. And that's the one I seen internally in here. All right. And then you even see this one, right? Wedge patterns inside of wedge patterns. That's just my thing. That's just what I go after. Follow the trends. Check it out for yourself. You might find something. Let me know about what you might possibly think. This blue one isn't the high or low, so I'm going to change this color. This one right here is, let's see, what don't I have here? Dang colors. That's my buy-in line right there. That's the new buy-in. I don't want it the same as that one. Too similar. Let's go a little lighter. All right, that's my buy-in one. That thing drops and comes through. If that comes through that channel, that's where I'm trying to wait for. I'm hoping to get there, but that's just my buyback. Still, cost average is great. You guys pay attention, man. I'm gonna say if you do invest in crypto, pull up one of these little apps that are out there. I think it's CoinStats. CoinStats is a pretty cool app. You don't have to register or anything, man. It's for free. Just use it. I don't log into anything. I don't give any apps my login and connect to anything. I don't think any of that stuff's safe. It's not worth taking a chance when you hold your own. You're your own bank. So what you need to do is just download that CoinStats app. Let's see, describe it, put it on here later. I could put it on my Twitter. I'll post something on my Twitter page later. It's called CoinStats. 2 words, looks like an orange circle, has like a little pie chart, little, and it says it's kind of like the 2 hands. One would be at like 11.5. The other one's at like just over 3. So check it out. I'll put something on there on Twitter to follow and take a look. Put your currencies on there, man. Check them out. Put when you bought them, what you bought them at. The greatest feature on there that I can say, and the best thing that I feel is good to do, is you could put your all-time, right, up or down, 24 hours, your last trade, or all-time. It's going to tell you what your all-time percentages is up or down from everything you bought at any given time, as long as you give it the right data. Give it the right data and you're going to find out, hey, I'm up 103% on this one from all my buys. Or, let me scroll to 1. Well, we're not down in many, so there's not much red right now. I'm down 90% on 1. Okay, now I analyze, all right, do I want more of this? Have I talked about it? Have I looked at it? I'm done. I don't care. Maybe to get my money back, do some cost averaging. Sometimes I don't think it's worth it, but I definitely see a couple in here that, like H-bar, it's not far, 8.5% down. Okay, I could buy some right now, bring my cost average down. Now it goes up a little bit, I'm gonna break even, or I'm gonna make some profits. But if I'm taking a glance at them right now, I love this. This is 258%, 3.4%, 109%, 35, 31.5%, 41%, 58.75%, 6,500%, 6,526%. Where do you get this in the stock market? We're not even in a full blast bull run. What I'm talking about is, let me see what this one is. Snapperazzi, SNPC. It's probably just one I picked up on some like BitTrue or BitMax, and I probably had a few bucks left over, and I bought it, just to get them. $3, $5, $10, whatever. Do I want to invest a lot in it? Yeah, now that I see that it's up 6,500%, of course I did. But whatever, man. It's profits. I don't care. And make 15 bucks. I'm not selling it. That stuff's sitting tight, man. I'm not going anywhere with it. Let's look at some other ones. Let's see. 296% if you bought Omisco when it was low. Again. Or more. That's crazy, man. There's some good ones out there. 119%, 49%. These are the more reputable ones right now. This is your top 50 or 100. 25%, 24%, 39%, 228%. One of the ones I've been calling out on my on the Orzo coin platform. All right. So that Wix app they put out there, I put a shout out there for it is the Safe Haven coin. Man, load up. Load up. I'm a firm believer you're gonna make some money on that one. That one's at 225. There's some small, very, very small market ones. Like Experience Coin, 13,749%. I'm taking a pause there just so you can soak that in real quick. You guys realize what's going on here? 80%, 132%, 2,749% on Lend. Yeah, I really wish my fucking Binance buy order went in like months ago when they took it down, and then Binance US came in and I had like $250,000 sitting on that damn thing. Yeah, that would have been nice. It's gonna happen again, guys. Get you some. That might be a slogan. Go get you some. Come on, guys. You guys spend money on stuff that you wouldn't believe. Break it down, man. Don't go out to eat this week. You know what? Throw a little change into the cryptocurrency market. Stop being so scared. Stop being so negative. You're going to go blast $80 on a bottle of bourbon. I know I would love to. It's hard for me to. I want to put it in this. Don't buy that $6 bag of Doritos when you go to the store. Put it into this. Come on, guys. Not getting into anything is just preventing the inevitable. It really is, in my opinion. So let's see, man. Yeah, I'm definitely not a financial advisor, but everything I give you is just my opinion. You do what you want with it. I'm just gonna I'm a pump on cryptocurrency. I don't care what it is. There's money to be made. End of story. Let anybody else try to push you out of it. Excuse me. Now let's see. The wedge pattern. Let's see. This is the XRP channel. That's where I've seen it. Let's go back to this. Here's my channel. Let's go back to the 1 month, 3 months. Because this is the main chart that I follow. The 1 hour, 1 month. Wedge patterns, higher lows, all over the place for me. They just keep showing up. I mean, here's one, but we broke a higher low. That was the one that I was trying to predict. Okay, so it might be here. So let's do this. Just move this bad guy right to here. And if you want to look at my trend line, this is the one I made. This is the first one I made. All right, this is the first analysis from down there. We're still above that, far above it. That's fine. That's good. Here was the new trend line. I was banking off the new higher lows. I think one I had going a little bit higher, but now we're going to adjust this one just a little bit. Let's see. Well, let's see if I can adjust that a little bit. There we go. Let's make this one here. We'll split the difference, go down. So that would get rid of, if I do that, that's fine, but let's change that one. This one is still above it, be trend line, whatever, but bam, so maybe this is it. It's going to create, what I'm trying to do is create my new wedge bounce off, my new higher lows, is what I'm looking for. So trend lines always change. I try to take a look at the channels that I'm creating, which was be here and here. I'd love to do some more. Sleepless nights, yeah, they never end, man, doing this. I'd like to get some new trend lines going in here, build some more channels. Looking at like the other common ones like Cardano and Stellar, which I'm a firm believer. I've been a big fan. You can even check out my Facebook channels. Stellar and XRP, man. I'm on that train all the way. I've been on those two all the way. You guys can go ahead. You can check out the cryptocurrencyshops.com website as well. I'm trying to sell merch, man. I'm trying to keep it real, have my own thing. I got that little that owl emblem that I really love. That logo. I love them. We're getting ready to order my hoodie now because we're coming into the fall season. It's just been a little too warm, man. I got so many dang hoodies. I like getting another one here soon. I'll put an order together. Excuse me, I got a little stuffy nose going on today. But I love it. I got my XRP hat and get my little cryptocurrency shops hat and hoodie here soon. I love zip ups. And find me a good zip up, man. Hang on to that forever. I'm old school. I'm 44 years old, guys, so it's not like I'm a young chicken anymore. Let's see here. So we're at 25. I'm probably going to wrap this up a little bit. I'm going to make another one. If anybody has any comments, questions, or anything, there's a couple people, man, I'd love to do a live video with you, go over what you see and what we see, collaborate a little bit, throw some shots at each other, whether it's bourbon or what you don't believe they're seeing, or whatever. Have some fun with it. That's what I'm saying. People on Facebook, people on Twitter. I think it's crypto_shops for my Twitter handle. You guys can go to my Facebook channel. It's cryptocurrency shops. You can also go to cryptocurrencyshops.com. You can get any merch. I mean, these shops, they up and down with what they have available. I haven't been spending as much time putting stuff on there. I'd love to load that up, but it takes a lot of time and effort. I got some things, man, I'm happy with it right now. Go up there and support me. I'd love to come up with some more videos. You got my YouTube channel that you got right here, Cryptocurrency Shops, CCS. Hoping to put some live streams up soon. But right now, like I said, we're keeping an eye on this Bitcoin chart and this XRP chart. I'm looking to break through this channel and man, I just hope we get through this. Obviously, this one can still happen. But man, I'm liking what we see on Bitcoin right now. It's getting a little pumpy. But people that know about it, man, this stuff gets crazy. Oh, by the way, too, if anybody wants to get started, has any questions, wants to learn about where to get going, please be careful out there, man. There is a lot of scammers, okay? If you don't trust me, that's fine. I'm not going to ask for your information for anything. I'm not going to try to get you to do it. You do it at your own will. What I do is I have some links on my YouTube channel. You can go to my Teespring account. You can see some other merch for sale there. But as far as like getting your ledger, Coinbase, Binance, I'm going to have a ledger is something you store your cryptocurrency on that I highly recommend. But like exchanges, don't search in Google. Get the link from someone you trust. It doesn't have to be me, but get a link from someone you trust that's been there and has dealt with it already. These people will fish these websites like crazy, get you to click on it, and you'll be feeding these scammers your money. Be careful. But listen, regulation is on its way. It's happening. It's been here. It's in the works. Banks are getting tied into it. You can choose to have them hold it. You'll see it will come. It's coming. The banks they're merging with platforms, E-Trade, TD Ameritrade. There's retirement plans, and I can't even think of the names. Again, I have to write stuff on a clipboard, man, like an outline, because I'll forget stuff. I get amped up and I start forgetting stuff. But I want to go live here soon. I'm going to put my first live video up probably this week. I would love to get some people on there. Like I said, I'll promote on Facebook. Hopefully get some people out there, some friends, some other people that I follow. I would love to get some feedback. We'll do some live questions. We'll do whatever we can, but I'd love to talk crypto, man. I'm all in. This is my thing to do. I love this market. This market is here to stay, and I think it's the new .com era. But we're dealing with finances. I think we haven't even gotten started. I think there's such a small percentage of people that are in it. We haven't even hit headwave. This is a global thing too. It's huge, just like the .com. That's global, man. But now we're dealing with your money, which it can also get scary. People are nervous. But again, ask some questions. Put some likes on there. I'd love to get some subscribers. Obviously, a live video helps out with some people out there, and putting some feedback back into me. Go ahead, you put your remarks, man. I'm not a thin-skinned person. I'll take your remarks. I'll take your criticism. I'm going to try and make it better, but I'm here to give you information. I'm not trying to be like you. That's definitely not what I'm not here for. I'm not here to give you advice. I'm here to give you information. You do what you want with it. But right now I'm going to wrap it up, man. It's about 18 minutes, a little bit longer than I wanted to go to, but you get the gist of it. You see my charts. You see my channels. You've heard a little bit of what I'm doing and what I'm looking at. Again, cryptocurrency shops here, guys. Enjoy. Like I said, I'm going to try to get a live video here out this week. We'll talk to you later.